Welcome to the April market update. I'm Tony Marlette Jr., Brookside Tax and Financial Group. As always, before we get started, just a reminder, call our office, schedule a consultation. Not only will your meeting with us be at no cost, but you can also pick up a complimentary copy of one of our books on estate planning and retirement planning as well. If we look at what we saw for March, inflation still is the number one issue. And it's really inflation across all categories that's causing a ripple through an otherwise positive market. Stocks were up for the month, bonds were negative for the month, but inflated prices are going to remain. And to what degree and across what categories is really going to be the ultimate determinant of how much volatility we see. Prices are rising faster than at any point since the early 1980s. On top of that, the Fed has now shifted to controlling inflation versus supporting growth. They did increase the Fed funds rate, which is the rate that all interest rates are based off of, for the first time since 2018 in March of this year as well. We have good reason to believe that rate increases, which are also a key tool to combat inflation, are going to continue for 2022. Remember, the Fed has basically said as much, signaling several rate hikes this year. Also remember that when interest rates go up, prices of existing bonds go down. Stocks and bonds were both negative to finish the first quarter, and that's rare. It did happen last month, but it is rare. Despite all this, we remain positive on stocks, even though bond yields are inverted. Basically, that means that yields on short-term bonds are surpassing yields of long-term bonds. Sometimes that's a signal of a recession. And while we don't see anything like that coming in 2022, it is something to monitor down the road. Regardless, volatility is going to be around for the rest of this year with those inflation concerns. Just a reminder, we talk about it all the time, but you want to stay invested for the long term and within the parameters of your investment plan. Safe assets are there to protect during periods of volatility. Growth assets are there to protect during periods of inflation. Keeping a proper balance of growth and safety to fit your investment objectives remains the best way to accomplish your financial goals. Meet with your financial professional to discuss how to do that. You can also call us, go online, or stop in to schedule a consultation. From all of us at Brookside Tax and Financial Group, we thank you for working with us, and we look forward to continue to working with you.